Welcome to SVHA Knowledge Point. In this video, we'll be looking into why do we need explainable AI and what is explainable AI. Starting with Blackboard's model where the internal workings are unknown or not visible, but the input and output can be observed. These models have no transparency, that is, the internal logic or mechanism or working is hidden. Examples for Blackboard's models are neural networks. The multiple layers of computations and weights make their internal logic complex and hard to interpret. SVM, support vector machines, they use hyperplanes to separate data, but high dimensional transformations can make the interpretation difficult. Random forest, these models combine many decision trees, making it hard to pinpoint which tree or path influenced the decision. Gradient boosting missions, it's a sequential tree building approach which leads to opaque decision pathways. So these are some of the examples of Blackboard's model. Now moving on to the limitations of Blackboard's model. The first thing is lack of transparency. Internal processes are not visible, making it difficult to understand how decisions are made. Hard to interpret. Challenging to explain the results or predictions, especially for complex models like neural networks. Trust issues. Users may distrust the system if they can't see how it works, particularly in critical applications like healthcare or finance. Difficulty in debugging. Errors or biases in the model are hard to detect and fits without insights into internal workings. Regulatory barriers, that is, non-explainable decisions may not meet logical or ethical standards. Risk for bias. There might be hidden biases in the training data or algorithm which may propagate without detection. And Blackboard's models are resource intensive, that is, they often require significant computational resources and data. Explainable AI aims to overcome these limitations of Blackboard's models by making the AI system more transparent, interpretable, and trustworthy. Let's look into why do we need explainable AI. So how it makes the system transparent, interpretable, and trustworthy. First one is it reveals how the model works internally and provides insights into its decision-making process, ultimately making the model transparent. Explainable AI ensures that outputs can be understood by humans. It enables users to grasp the reasoning behind the predictions, thereby providing interpretability. HCI builds trust by explaining decisions, particularly for critical applications like healthcare, finance, and law. So, it plays a major role in building trust and accountability. HCI is also used to identify and fix errors, biases, or inefficiencies in the model by understanding its behavior. So, it aids in debugging and improvement of the model. HCI helps to meet the legal and ethical standards, and it is also used to detect and reduce bias in models to ensure fairness and equity in decision making. HCI also supports adherence to policies that require explainable and transparent AI systems. So these are some of the reasons why do we need explainable AI. Now let's look into the goals of explainable AI. First one is transparency. HCI makes the internal process of AI system visible and accessible. It provides details into how inputs are transformed into outputs. Second is interpretability. It ensures that model's decision can be logically explained in human understandable terms. So this HCI focuses on providing explanations that are understandable without technical expertise. Third goal is understandability. You can design AI systems so that users can grasp the functionality and purpose of the system. HCI enhance clarity by simplifying complex models or outputs. The fourth goal is comprehensibility. HCI enables users to follow the reasoning or steps taken by the model. It provides intuitive explanations such as visualization or example to illustrate the behavior of the model. Started with the limit what is black box model and then moved on to limitations of black box model, followed by how HCI helps in overcoming these limitations of the black box model. Then we looked into the goals of explainable AI. Now we'll see what is explainable AI. Technically, explainable AI refers to methods and techniques that make the functioning of AI systems understandable and interpretable to humans. So, the purpose of HCI is to explain the decision making process of the AI system, how an AI system makes a particular prediction. So, HCI aims to ensure that users can comprehend how AI makes decisions, fostering trust, accountability, and transparency. Moving forward to the features of HCI, it's transparency, interpretability, trustworthiness, accountability, and bias detection. Thank you.